Geno Pettis Adventures. I'm still Geno. Be sure and go down to the descriptions and click on the first link so you can be in my email and I can send you emails. Thank you. I appreciate it. Today, we're going to interview my mystery guest. He's been here for almost 90 days now. We switched hotels, and as you can see, he's looking rather good. Anyway, if any of you guys out there recognize his voice, don't say anything in the comments. He doesn't let me take his picture because he doesn't want any of you guys, he doesn't want the whole world to know who he is. So please, don't mention anything in the comments. I would appreciate it. So with that being said, mystery guest, how have you been?
I've been very well. I've been very well treated, and I'm happy. I'm happy for the 3 months I've been here. I've been treated like a king.
Good, good. So do you like this place better than the first place?
I like this place. Both places are good. They're very well maintained. Okay. But the customer service for this one, the one I'm in now, is the best. It's much better than the other, like the other one. The other one was a clubhouse. It's a good, but the maintenance is different. And then the customer service is not good. So I like this one.
Excellent. Yeah, they treat you like abuelito, don't they?
Yes, they treat you very well like a king. I eat what I want. I ask them to cook the food according to my diet, and they give me all I want, the coffee anytime I want. I want the food come to my room, it comes, and I call them, they come quickly. I call them to repair things. It's repaired quickly, and the service is very well.
That's nice.
I really appreciate for you to find me another place. That's the good thing I want to tell people about Geno. When Geno takes you, I didn't know he was coming having this kind of customer service very well organized. When Geno takes you from the United States, from the airport, he treats you like a king too, a customer service. You have a problem with migration, he's there. You have a problem with the room, he's there. He talks to the people. He maintains all the service for you until probably you leave. So until we are acquainted to the area. So that's what I want to tell people to come to Geno. Please, if you can, if you want to come in any place in Colombia, talk to Geno. You'll be satisfied as I am satisfied right now.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, have we met all your expectations?
You did more than I thought I would get from a customer service or service like that.
That's awesome.
So if it was not about you, I could not figure out the culture, the area for only 30 days. So because of you, you made me comfortable that I'm making progress doing what I do, and I'm making progress knowing the culture and knowing the language.
Excellent.
Because I have facility, I have all the services I need, customer service-wise, from you. From your family you made here, they're also helping me. They became my friends. So there's no way you can have that somebody helps you custom-wise and helps to connect.
Well, that's because we want you to stay. We want well, number one, we want you to be happy. And number two, we don't want you to be scared. You told me that when you got here, you were afraid that you would just be thrown in the corner and not taken care of. And that didn't happen, did it?
No, I did not.
That didn't happen.
Yeah, you went beyond what, like I said, you went beyond my expectations.
Good. That's I learned that a long time ago. If you give a little more, you get back a little more. You know. So, are you meeting your goals? Are you meeting the reason you came? The reason you came to Colombia?
I am. I'm meeting the reason. The reason I came to Colombia it's just to know South America. I know some countries, but I didn't get there for a long time like I did in Colombia. But the other reason I came over here is just a little bit to relax, retire, and know the area so I can study exactly what's going on about the culture in South America, especially in Colombia, to see if probably I'm gonna live here for a long time before I.
Well, we hope you stay for a long time, because you guys may not know this or not, but we've become friends, and I tease him and he teases me, and we have a good time. And it was difficult. It was difficult at first to get everything under control, because, as most of you know, I was in Washington having a tumor removed when he arrived in country. But I had enough backup from my stepchildren that they helped me with Don, and they took him under their wing and brought him to the hotel and got him settled and got his money for him and got the hotel paid. And it was difficult because these hotels don't take money transfers. Mm-hmm. They don't. So he basically has got to go and find an ATM where his debit card will work, and not they don't work everywhere, do they?
They don't. And the scary thing is, you just go there to withdraw millions, uh-huh. 1 or 2 millions to pay the hotel, uh-huh. and you are scared because in America you never carry that kind of money.
Yeah. So but they all carry that kind of money here, right?
Yes, they do. I was very afraid. I could not go to the ATM myself because I was afraid somebody will kill me.
Will rob you, yes.
Rob me or kill me.
Yeah.
So, but because of Julio, whoever appointed to help me, I'm not scared when I go there. Yeah. And I don't want to go there without him or yourself, because it's very dangerous. To me, it's still dangerous, even if people here are using it.
Well, sure, it's still dangerous because they see you take $2 million out of the ATM, 2 million pesos. Excuse me, I wish I could take $2 million out of the ATM. But you take 2 million pesos out, that's a month's wages.
Yes.
Or over a month's wages for a lot of people. It's double a month's wages. And there's some people that are very hungry and very poor, and they will rob you. But you just have to, it's just like I keep telling everybody, don't be stupid. Pay attention, look around. And for example, Julio's a 42-year-old guy, and he doesn't mess around. I mean, he's got this gentleman's back. And he takes him to the ATM, he takes him shopping to town, he takes him on day tours, and Julio doesn't speak a lot of English, and this gentleman doesn't speak a lot of Spanish, but they communicate, and they get along, and they like each other. And my mystery client has actually taken my grandson under his wing as his grandson. So it's been a really good time, and I just need more of you to come. Don't be scared. Come down. We'll take care of you. And what's the conversion now? What does it cost you in dollars?
I think if I really calculate very well, it's probably 1 or 4 or 5 cheaper. Uh-huh. 1 or 4 cheaper than the United States. Because my rent was $1,400 plus the other charges, whatever, insurance, TV, all the bills around $400 to $1,800. Now I'm paying only $400 for the hotel, the good hotel, including food, 3 meals a day, mm-hmm. and everything I want from the hotel. I pay probably $20 for cleaning my clothes. A lady who comes clean my
for the week or the month? $20 for the week?
$20 probably will be for the week.
Okay.
It's probably $100 maximum plus the tip I give, $100 a month, mm-hmm. for somebody to come to help me shower and
yeah, what you have to realize is that this gentleman's handicapped, and we found a lady that would come help bathe him because he has a difficult time doing that, and also bathe his clothes. So for $100 a month, he gets bathed and his clothes get bathed, and he gets fresh, clean clothes to go They change your sheets every 2 days here? Or
Every 3 days.
every 3 days, and they clean every 2 days, or clean
every 3 days.
they clean every day?
Any time I want.
Any time that he wants, they will come and clean the room. And that was the bad part about the other place. They only cleaned his room once every 7 days, and they didn't give him clean towels, even when he begged for them. So we like this place a lot better, simply due to the fact that it's family run, and the ladies love us, and the ladies love him, and the ladies love my wife, Maria, and it's just a better place all the way around. I think the other place is more beautiful, but you got to say these guys do it all on customer service, and that's what we try to do too. And I just wish, it's going to be winter up there, guys. It's going to be winter if it isn't already. And what's it today here? 78 degrees.
Yes.
Yeah, 78 degrees. It got really cold last night. It got down to 68 or 65. And so give yourself a break. Come down for 90 days. It'll cost you $1,200 plus airfare. You get the whole thing for like $2,000 for 3 months. Where are you going to live for $2,000 for 3 months?
Yeah, and I say, if really you come over here only for investigating and see what's going on, if you're going to live here, it's enough for 1 month to be able to do that. If you are moving around, I'm not moving around because I'm writing about a book. Because I realize with Geno's services, he can help you go around.
Because Julio takes you. Julio takes you.
Yeah, Julio takes you around. And I have visited many places, mountains and canyons and whatever. But if I had only to come like an American, I advise to come over here to see and investigate, see if you can live in Colombia. 1 month or 2 months will be enough. If you have time to move around.
So what does Julio charge you to take him?
No, he charged me only $50 a day.
Okay.
$50 it's just nothing from my in Columbus, from my apartment to airport. I pay $60 for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Now I pay $50 for Julio for almost the whole day, from 9 to
whenever you get back. 4. Yeah.
Whenever I'm back, then we can sit down and talk, whatever. He tells me things around. So at the same time, when we are driving, even if we don't talk in the same language, we try to talk, to talk English and Spanish. But he tells me what's going on about the culture, what's going on about things around, what I need to be careful of. So that's the difference. The difference between taking a regular taxi, or taking Julio.
Yeah.
That's the difference I saw.
Well, sure, you're not going to trust a cab driver to take you to the ATM. Yeah. No, I mean, I wouldn't.
And also the canyons, when you get to the canyon, on the top of the mountain, I'm an agronomist, I'm a romantic guy. So when I get there, he explains to me the names of the mountain, or what's going on, the history. Then I go to the YouTube, or I go to the internet to know the information. Excellent. So that's the good thing with Geno services compared to the taxi. If you come over here, you don't know anybody, then you go around taking the taxis. I'm not saying it's insecure, but you don't get the good service for the money that you can get from Geno services.
Well, thank you very much.
That's very important to me.
We've got a pretty long video now, so I really appreciate it, and thank you. And maybe one day I'll actually get you to sit in the chair.
Yes.
Okay? So thank you. With that being said, click the like, click the subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll have you more of these. It's going to be winter, guys. If nothing changes, nothing changes. You're going to be freezing your butt in a month. But not here. Not here. It's always 68 to 80. And it's inexpensive. And we love you. So come on down. My information is in the description. There's also a set more. You can make an appointment with me. So thank you. God bless. and I'll be winding this down, and I will see you on the flip side.